While others are abandoning the sedan segment, Toyota continues to double down with new variants of its best-selling sedans. With winter's icy grip on much of the United States, Toyota is launching the new all-wheel drive Camry and Avalon models to help drivers get a better grip on the road while the automaker continues to gain traction in the sedan segment. It's the first all-wheel drive Camry since 1991 and the first ever Avalon with all-wheel drive. The Toyota developed Dynamic Torque Control all-wheel drive system will be available as a standalone option for the Camry LE, XLE, SE, and XSE grades and on Avalon XLE and Limited grades. The Camry all-wheel drive and Avalon all-wheel drive are North America-only models developed in the US and assembled exclusively at Toyota Motor Manufacturing, Kentucky. Both the Camry all-wheel drive and Avalon all-wheel drive get a high-efficiency 2.5-liter double overhead cam 4-cylinder engine teamed with an 8-speed direct-shift automatic transmission. Most Camry all-wheel drive grades have 202 horsepower, while the Camry XSE all-wheel drive and both Avalon all-wheel drive grades have 205 horsepower with dual exhaust. The new all-wheel drive system balances added traction with exemplary fuel efficiency, while Avalon all-wheel drive EPA-estimated fuel economy will be released closer to its on-sale date. EPA rating for Camry all-wheel drives are LE and SE 25 city, 34 highway, 29 combined. XLE and XSE 25 city, 34 highway, and 28 combined. The Camry and Avalon all-wheel drive system can direct up to 50% of engine torque to the rear wheels in response to acceleration from a start or slippage at the front wheels. When all-wheel drive isn't needed, such as on long highway stretches, the electromagnetic controlled coupling on the front of the rear drive axle can disengage the propeller shaft from the differential to prioritize fuel efficiency. The all-wheel drive is designed to re-engage in an instant when needed. All-wheel drive operation is transparent to the driver and passengers. On that note, the Camry and Avalon all-wheel drive models match their front-wheel drive counterparts in critical passenger space, trunk room, ride comfort, cabin quietness, and vehicle agility. The transformation to all-wheel drive adds just 165 pounds over the Camry front-wheel drive, while the Avalon all-wheel drive weight is similar to that of the front-wheel drive V6 siblings. The Camry all-wheel drive will be model year 2020 and arrive at dealerships in early spring. All all-wheel drive grades can get an optional cold weather package, which adds heated seats and mirrors on the LE, heated seats, mirrors, and steering wheel on the SE, and the heated steering wheel on the XLE and XSE. All other standard and optional features carry over from the front-wheel drive versions of the LE, XLE, SE, and XSE model grades, including the latest Toyota Audio multimedia system with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and Amazon Alexa. The Avalon all-wheel drive will be model year 2021 and go on sale next fall. Both XLE and Limited all-wheel drive grades will receive a standard heated steering wheel, while other standard and optional features carry over from the front-wheel drive versions.